Alright, today I'm going to show you how we're going to take a SATA M.2 to a USB converter, and then we have a NVMe M.2 in a little enclosure to USB 3.1, and then it just takes you back to the standard USB 3.0. And we're going to use this Tableau Forensic Duplicator to make that duplication. So you're going to want to take your source drive and you're going to plug it into the right block port, and then we're going to take our destination drive, which is here, the external, and we're going to plug that into the read write port, and then we're going to power this on. You can go ahead and connect your connectors. So this has a little blue light on it, so we know that's on. And we have a blue light here. And now you can see we have our choices. We're going to choose duplicate because we're basically taking our 256, making a clone to our bigger 500 gig hard drive, so we can get some more storage. So it's very important that we're going to do disk to disk. So you hit select. You're going to see our USB source and our USB destination came up, which is exactly what we have here. Just confirm the left side, which is the right block, is your source drive. So this is the drive that you want to get bigger, and you want to duplicate to your new drive that you just purchased. And then your drive, the new drive is going to be in the read and write port. So once that's all done, you just hit start, and these are SSDs, so it's going to go super quick. Mine only took about 26 minutes, and that's how you can convert a M.2 Sata SSD to a NVMe M.2 SSD by using a forensic duplicator.